cried for you, lady, yeah, you were my baby way back in time. Had me waking and dreaming and rocking and reeling and thinking in rhyme. And it was heartbreak, baby, yeah, there was no maybe, there was no doubt. When I tried all I could to forget you for good till I was all tried out. And you may listen, if words can tell you, you may show me what eyes can see. You may ring a bell, we know all too well, and love will always be a mystery. Oh, and life had gone on and I found me some love and so sweet and kind. But something went missing in that unfinished business of yours and mine. Oh, and something was gained that was never the same kind of hurting like before. No regrets, no blame, no pride, no shame won't matter anymore. And you may listen, if words can tell you, you may show me what eyes can see. You may ring a bell, we all know too well, and love will always be a mystery. And I'm not even sure what it is I know now that I didn't know then. But down through the years, words ring in my ears that Jackson sang. Said I never should have had to try so hard to make a love work out. Only know nothing but time can tell what that was all about. And you may listen, if words can tell you, you may show me just what eyes can see. You may ring a bell, we all know too well, and love will always be, love will always be, love will always be a mystery. I got new musical dreams and a world out there to conquer that robbed me of the old ones till they vanished in the air. I've been running out of schemes, wasn't getting any younger. And when I feel the hunger, it's a wonder it's still there. I got no musical dreams, and I hope I'm here to live like I did through all the times and I watched them rise and fall. And the great beyond is generous when I look at all I'm given. It's a wonder all the magic has been happening at all. Who am I to stop the flow? Let it ride and watch it go. Who am I to stop the flow? Let it ride and watch it go. and I hope they will include you. My treasure chest is heavy as it's slowly filling up, till it's busting at the seams. Gonna need some help to carry them out there on the road. It ain't ever gonna stop. And who am I to stop the flow? Let it ride and watch it go. Who am I to stop the flow? Let it ride and watch it go. Seem to roll. You must have known since you were born the blueprint of your soul. Came a long way searching, walking backward from your dues, strolling down dark alleys of those melancholy blues. Misty mornings late at night, the chills come in the air. In early autumn's golden light, suddenly it's there. The gloomy slant of love gone past, and all it's due to lose. Waited out the summer for those melancholy blues. It's not like it's unbearable, it's bittersweet bouquet. It's not the scars of torture, but it's accidental fray. The shadows over every life that none of us would choose, hanging thick like curtains of a melancholy blue. Finds release in loneliness and poetry and song. It resonates in old guitars and things around so long, etched into the lines and wrinkles of your tough leather shoes, all worn out from running from those melancholy blues. Well, there's things that should be long forgotten, everyone would know. The smell of something dead and rotten, you gotta let it go. Look into the children's eyes to find the future clue. They are light and they are free from melancholy blues. The gloomy slant of love gone by, and all all it stood to lose. Waited out the summer for those melancholy blues.